Number 10, a straight line has the equation 3x minus y equals 9, and the second line is parallel to this. That means it's got the same gradient, and it passes through the point 5, negative 3. Write down the equation of the second line. Well, if I rearrange this into the form y equals mx plus c, if I add y to both sides, so that y is now positive, so it's 3x equals 9 plus y, and then I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides. So 3x minus 9 equals y. I'm just going to swap that around. So y equals 3x minus 9. So I know that the gradient is going to be 3. So this other line, the second line, has a gradient of 3. It passes through the point 5, negative 3. And that is your AB. So we can then apply the formula y minus b equals mx minus a. The b is negative 3, so it's y take away negative 3 equals m, that's 3, x minus 5. So let's tidy that up. Negative, minus negative here is going to give us y plus 3. That's going to be 3x minus 15. I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides just to make y the subject. So y equals 3x minus 18. That's the equation of the second line. Number 11. The equation of the parabola in the diagram above is y equals x minus 2 all squared minus 9. State the coordinates of the minimum turning point of the parabola. Well, we know it's a minimum turning point because there's no minus in the front here. If there's a minus at the front, it would be a maximum turning point. We get the turning point from these two numbers. So it's negative 2 here. We're going to change it to positive and negative 9. So your turning point is 2, negative 9. So that's this value here. Find the coordinates of C. Well, we can tell that the x value has to be 0, so it's got to be 0 something. So if we substitute x as 0 into this, we'll get the y value. So y equals 0 minus 2 all squared minus 9. So it's going to be negative 5. So that is going to be 0, negative 5. A is the point negative 1, 0. State the coordinates of B. Well, it says state, it's only one mark, don't have to do much working out here. We know A is negative 1, 0, so that's negative 1 there. We know that the turning point is at 2, so we can see from negative 1 to 2 is a distance of 3. So that's going to be a distance of 3 there as well. So 2 add 3 gives us 5. So it's 5 along, it's on the x-axis, so it's 5 along and 0 up. So it is 5, 0.